Hello everybody, it's Andrew here again, author of 500 Social Media Marketing Tips. Check out the link in the description to grab your copy today. In this video, I'm going to introduce you to photos of you on Instagram and show you how you can use the feature to increase the number of views that your Instagram photos get and to further your marketing reach using the app. So if you're unfamiliar with Photos of You, it's a new feature that was rolled out at the beginning of May 2013, and it allows users of Instagram, businesses included, to tag people, businesses and products in their photos on the app, very similar to how tagging works on Facebook. So to use this example from Nike, on this photo they've tagged the image with their shoes brand name, Nike SB, and there's also a link to one of their athletes. And if he so chooses, this athlete can share this photo from the Nike account onto his Instagram feed for all of his followers to engage with, which will increase the photo's reach. And another interesting feature of Photos for You is that if users tag a business within their own photos, that business can then choose to share that photo on their own stream. So as you can see, there are two really great ways that brands can increase the reach of their photos and encourage a closer connection with their customers when their customers tag the brands in their own photos. And of course, this can be used in lots of ways, including competitions and sweepstakes. That's all for this time. I hope it helped. Don't forget to click subscribe for lots more social media marketing tips like this one, to give me a like if you enjoyed this video, and to check out the link to my book in the description below. Thanks very much for watching, and goodbye.